Machine number 2 comes in this packaging. There's a lot of bubble wrap. Comes in this pink bubble wrap. Let's unwrap it. Well, hold on a second. Let's move that out of the way. Let's look underneath. As this silver label here, which we can use for identification purposes. So, take one half of the pocket off. Take the other side off. It comes in this kind of like a pink bag, which is interesting. This machine has, let's turn it around. Here we go. This machine has this silver label here. Serial number 173. It actually has German here. I think it's German, but it's made in Hong Kong, with the rest of the label in English. It also has a trapdoor, which is perfectly seated. Let's open it up from the bag. Here it is. On this machine, you'll notice that the tabs are, again, perfectly fine. However, this time there is a retaining screw here which will need to be undone before the lid can be popped. The trapdoor tab is perfectly fine. The rest of the screws are present, as are the little rubber feet. The back of the machine is pretty much clean. After removing the screw and carefully popping the tabs, we can see that the keyboard has a Mitsumi label. There is something very faint written on it here. Sorry, it's upside down, but I'm not going to change it. This machine does not have, obviously, the metal cover. It might have been removed just to make it accessible to the person working on this machine. Notice the ROMs and all of the other chips are obviously present. Notice the stickers. These help to identify the precise revision of the PCB. Just showing you the board in detail. Let's power it up. Okay. Plugging it in. Plugging this cable. This cable looks like this on this end, and it goes into the open source scan converter to this SCART cable here, so it's RGB S, if I remember correctly. Turn it on, the power, turn on the power on the side. Again, this machine needs a little bit of time to warm up. You'll notice that there is a scan sync issue here. Just give it a little bit of time to warm up. Once it's warmed up, then it's perfectly fine. Again, notice the version number of the ROM. Same disk in the disk drive. Sorry. Again, this is the 910111 demo disk. Shift. Notice this one has a power LED on. If I press Shift Run Stop, you should notice the drive LED come on as well. There we go. The drive on this is obviously good. It's starting to load the image. Should not take too much longer. And there we go. The King Tut image. It will then change to the next image in the demo, which is the same as the Machine 1 demo because I'm using the same disk. It's the Gorilla. The quality of the video with this open source scan converter is really very good. I'm not too sure what was happening there. It seems to be loading the next file for the Gorilla. We'll just wait and see. There we go. There's the Gorilla. Okay, let's just stop that demo there. Keys seem to work. Again, it's an old keyboard. I'm surprised that it seems to work so well. There we go. Nice machine.